What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Modern Age Podcast. We are the Modern Age Preachers. My name is Vaibhav Bhardwaj.
And my name is Abhinav Dwivedi. And thank you guys for showing your support on our previous podcast episodes. If you have not followed us on our social media handles, then please do so now. We are on Instagram on the name of Modern Age Preachers. We also have a YouTube channel with the very same name, Modern Age Preachers. So if you're not following us there, please do so now. Now moving on for the topic of this podcast. Vaibhav, what is the topic of this podcast?
How to live a healthier life. And guys, this was particularly special for us because इसमें हमारे साथ joining us in this conversation was a very close friend of ours, Mr. Ritu Raj. And he runs a business in health and wellness niche. And the value that people were able to provide, yeah, Abhinav, it was next level, wasn't it? Be it nutrition, lifestyle. He even talked about supplements, na?
Yeah, definitely. And genuinely speaking, I was not expecting this amount of value. I was expecting कि ठीक है, there will be a discussion on fitness and wellness and things like that. But I'm surprised. I'm surprised after recording the podcast, the amount of value in terms of क्या lifestyle changes होने चाहिए, क्या खाना खाना चाहिए यार, as basic as खाना.
और हम कितनी चीज़ें गलत कर रहे थे, like without even realizing so much harm we were causing ourselves just by doing these simple things that we don't even notice, right?
Exactly. And I really feel if we are so much motivated after recording this podcast, so I really feel कितना motivation होगा यार listeners के लिए. What do you say?
For sure, yaar. So guys, without wasting any more time, sit back, relax, grab your popcorn and listen to this podcast at the very end. So for all our listeners today, we have a real treat for you guys. आज हमारे साथ हमारे शो पे there is someone who is not only a very close friend of ours, but he's also juggling a job in IT as well as a business in health and wellness. So Mr. Ritu Raj, आपका हमारे शो पे स्वागत है.
Thank you for having me, Vaibhav. Really looking forward to this broadcast.
Yeah, man, and so am I. And I'm really excited to have you here today on our podcast episode on health and wellness. For our listeners out there, we have known each other for about last 6 years, right, Rituraj?
Yes.
Yeah, and we have known each other since last 6 years. We were in the same college, and I have personally seen him grow as an individual in terms of his professional life and personal life. So the story has been pretty same for us, I feel. कि हमने college करा, B.Tech करा, and then we got a job. So वो हुआ हमारे साथ, and then we all were working, and suddenly we shifted to this business side. And I know the reasons why we shifted to this business side, and we have discussed it in our previous podcast episodes as well. So now I would like to ask you that what made you shift? कि अच्छी खासी जॉब चल रही थी, सब कुछ था. By the way, you are still juggling between a job and a business, but what happened that you were forced, or maybe you wanted to move to this side? What was the reason?
Frankly speaking, means I'm doing very well in job also, but the satisfaction is not there.
Yeah.
Means in the college time also we tried to do something, right? We discuss, let's do something. We can do something at it, but we don't know where to start and how to start actually. But in job,
and
it's
how to
going
start
very good.
was our exactly how to start was our first podcast episode. Right, so this is all coming back from our college days.
Yeah.
That we were never sure that how to start and when to start. So yeah, continue.
Yeah, sure. So as I told you, the job is doing very good, but the thing is become more into monotonous kind of thing. Means same cheese, repeatable, रोज वही
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं, correct, 9 to 5, 9 to 6, whatever you can say, and you can say there is no satisfaction. Means this is my personal opinion that I am not getting satisfied what I am doing. It's just not like I am not liking it, or I am not good at that, but I am not satisfied what I am doing. So I thought I can do more than that. So that's why I can say start.
That's wonderful. And actually, I think Abhinav, हम दोनों ही agree करेंगे कि I think I do believe that Ritu does have those business-like qualities. So I'm pretty sure तुम्हारा business बहुत आगे जाएगा भाई. So good luck for all of that. But
Thank you so much.
yeah,
And same to you.
yeah.
Yeah, we need those wishes, please.
Wishes and listeners. Those are the two priorities right now. Wishes and listeners.
And guys, viewers on my YouTube videos, please.
Chalo, moving on. I would like to break the suspense for all our listeners, and why don't you tell us what is your business?
Okay. So before I guess I will start what my business, I will tell you means there's lots of thoughts is going in my mind. So what to start and how to start. But eventually you can say, and I think most of the listener also face this issue, that when you want to start something of your own, you face these three issue. Correct. First is you can say the investment. You need a proper investment to start something of
Right.
your own.
Yeah.
The second you can say means most of the people are not at that position to leave everything and start from the fresh. You can say if someone is doing job, he can't just resign the job and start something of his own.
Yeah.
Correct. So this is the you can say the most common issue which
Right.
people are facing.
Mm-hmm.
And the third is most of the people are not belong from business background, so they do not know how to start, where to start. That's it. You can say this is the basic problems which everyone is facing. So I also face this issue,
Mm-hmm.
but you can say my dream is bigger than my problem. So that's why I continue it. And you can say as talking about the business, we work on health and wellness area.
Okay.
So we provide consultancy to the people who are having some health issue regarding either it's maybe a weight loss or weight gain, because this is just a symptoms,
Mm-hmm.
but the cause will be a different thing. So we have to find the identical cause and we do a consultancy and we provide the solution to them.
Okay, so apart from these weight-related problems, like you deal with some specific health-related problems as well.
You can see that weight gain or weight loss is just the symptoms. Okay, the cause will be a different cause, maybe a hormonal issue, maybe a liver issue, maybe
Okay.
digestion issue. Yeah, you can say emotional eating habits or sleeping pattern or mental
Yeah.
cravings. So through our own program you can say we
Yeah.
deal with them, and you can say pretty much it will cover all of them. So it's not related to only weight loss and weight gain, but yeah, it's a symptoms, but the cause will be different, so we have to fix on the cause, then the symptoms will automatically got resolved.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Like taking this conversation ahead now, so I would like to ask you a two-layer question, right? First is that why health and fitness? I'm sure there must have been 100 ideas in your mind when you were starting off with the business. So why specifically health and fitness, knowing that there is like n number of competition as of now, health and fitness area, right? And the second layer of the question will be कि what exactly are you giving? Like what is in your program? What is in your जो तुम बोल रहे हो कि you do this, do that? How do you do that?
Okay. So one by one, I will give you the answer. Okay.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
first one means yeah. The first one you ask why health and wellness. So see, as you mentioned, lots of ideas comes into the mind. But initially, I was also getting, you can say, overweight. But there's lots of problem. As you mentioned, there's lots of field in this also. So you can reduce your weight through keto, through gym, through intermittent fasting, cabbage fasting, etc., etc. Correct. But the what actually we saw in the common thing, right? That right now at the age of 25 to 30 years, people are taking medicines. Correct. It's a
Yeah.
common lifestyle. You can say
Yes, yes,
people are following right now.
yes.
Maybe the issue will be, you can say, BP issue,
Right.
cholesterol issue, diabetes. You can say girls having PCOD or thyroid issue. So lots of the issue, but they are having in this scenario. But if we compare to our back 70 years back, people do not take this kind of medicine, correct? Because they
Yeah,
do not need it. So their lifestyle is totally
yeah.
different than what ours, correct? So why I choose this health and wellness, because I see there is means I can create I can impact myself, my health also, but I can improve and give solution to other also to being on a healthier side,
Yes.
right? So
Right.
that's why I thought this is the way I can help people also. And you can say it's a very good in my mind it's a very good initiative to take it forward and work with the people and actually to help them and to make to achieve their goal what they want to be. And you can say it will create a healthy living style for them also.
Yeah, that's really good.
So your second question about the program. So we provide
Yeah.
consultation to the people who's having issue I just mentioned before. So through
Yeah.
our program, it consists of food style, because that's very important, right? Because that what we eat actually what we present ourselves. And the second is the lifestyle changes, because our more focus in lifestyle, because you can to be honest, you can reduce your weight from many ways. You can do some keto, you can do gym, or you can do
Right.
uh, intermittent fasting. But actually when you drop, when you left everything, your weight or gain back जहाँ से आप शुरू किए थे वहीं पर आ जाएंगे कुछ मंथ के बाद. So
Basically,
it's not
short-term
it's not
solutions हैं ये.
yeah, this is a short term solution. and sometimes it's become a weakness also to your body, correct? Because if you eat less, your body actually need
Yeah,
energy,
actually, and a
right?
fun and there's a fun fact that I've read it today only, that there's a news that one Bangla actress just died today because she was on keto.
Yeah, yeah, I
Right.
also read it.
So that's really
Correct,
scary.
correct.
Yeah.
See what happened. I am not against
Wow.
of anything. What I am saying is a short time kind of thing. If you want to
Yeah.
reduce it, you can do.
Ultimately, the main point is to have some really healthy habits which you can adopt in your lifestyle, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Means it's like that. It's a normal, as we are, yeah, we are waking up, right? It's a normal thing. So we have to adopt this
Right.
thing as a normal way. So we can live healthier side, correct? And the third one is a supplementation,
Okay.
you can say. So talking about the first, about the food habit, I am saying that. So we can say that from last 50 years, our food style is changed dramatically, correct? मीन्स हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिंगल ग्रेन्स डाइट में रहते हैं, आइदर वीट और यू कैन से राइस।
Hmm.
मतलब सुबह भी हम लोग रोटी खाते हैं, दोपहर में भी रोटी या राइस, और रात में भी राइस
Right.
या रोटी,
Right.
वॉट एवर।
Right.
सो एक्चुअली इंडिया में 87 टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रेन्स पल्सेस होता है, बट इवेंचुअली वी डोंट नो दिस,
Yeah.
करेक्ट? सो दिस रोटी एंड राइस आर, you can say, these are completely polished and it contains zero nutrition.
Oh, is
So
it?
it's a, that's why it's a yeah,
Okay, then
it's a,
like
you can say
this was a
that
really big scam I was living in.
yeah. Because see the difference
कल से
of
दाल रोटी चावल बन. But then what should I eat then? Please tell me,
yeah,
Ritu.
yeah. So what happened, I'm just giving you the complete this line. So what happens, see, the energy level is, means it will give only that energy which we require to work, correct? मीन्स कहने का मतलब है, अगर केरोसिन कार में डाले तो वो चलेगा, लेकिन हमको सर्विसिंग सेंटर ज़्यादा ले जाना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट? ऐसा नहीं है कि वीट और राइस खाने से मतलब हम लोग को भूख नहीं मिटेगा या सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा, बट हाँ, हम लोग को ज़्यादा डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा, ज़्यादा मेडिसिन लेना पड़ेगा। इसीलिए आप देख सकते हैं कि 25-30 साल के लोग आजकल ज़्यादातर मेडिसिन ज़्यादा कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, करेक्ट? सो या
What's really weird actually in what you're saying is कि अभिनव यार, जब घर पे हम खाना खाते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दाल खाई, रोटी खाई, वी कंसिडर दैट डे टू बी अ गुड डाइट डे।
करेक्ट,
यू नो, हमारी नॉर्मल डाइट हैबिट्स तो इससे भी खराब हैं।
Yeah, nahi, this all things like we never think of it, right? We think whatever we are eating is the best we can get, and we don't want that, right? On the very best days, we don't want that because नहीं मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए, मुझे दाल नहीं खानी, मुझे रोटी नहीं खानी, and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
it's really surprising to know that कि वो भी हमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं दे रही हैं.
या मीन्स दाल दे रही है, बट हाँ,
So what
रोटी और
should we
राइस नहीं दे रही
what should we eat then, Ritu? Like what is this? Answer this specific question. What should we eat?
है। See, to be honest, this wheat and rice are completely, you can say, polished kind of thing. So we can replace
Okay.
this thing. Means we can eat whatever is sabji or dal हम लोग जो खा रहे हैं. We can eat salad and fruit in between. But we have to change this grains. Okay. So in India, there is,
Okay.
I talk about 87 grains. So in that grain, there is one specific grain called millets. Okay.
Millets. Yeah.
Yeah, means
अच्छा।
the good part of millet, it does not require any pesticide to grow. So without any pesticides, they grow and they
अच्छा।
are very good in every terms. You can say the people who are having hormonal issue, the people who are having diabetes also, or you can say cancer. Sometimes it will prevent kind of thing. The millet, you can say, is a complete solution of wheat and rice. And the best part is you can make anything from millet. You can make a roti, you can make a rice, you can make a dosa, you can make a idli, you can make a utpam. So you can, whatever you want, you can make. But it's totally, we don't know about this thing.
I'm seeing millet as a वो
yeah.
gin now. कि जो चाहिए वो मिलेगा, something like that. Oh, that's amazing. So do we
Yeah,
get it?
eventually,
Do
if
we
you
get
try,
it normally? जैसे हम लोग परचून की दुकान में जाते हैं, right? We go in a
Yeah.
general store and stuff like that. And do we get it there?
Yeah, actually, see, it's available everywhere. We have to know the local name actually. See, millets of very types. Some called positive millets, some called neutral millets.
Okay.
Okay. So neutral millets, it's coming a ragi, bajra, jowar. But it depends on body to body profile. Some people having thyroid, they are not able to eat bajra because that's not good for them. So it's totally depend on the profile of the person. But yeah, positive millet comprise of, you can say, foxtail millet, little millet, kudo millet. So a specific millet help a specific issue. So that's the thing. But it's very good for
अच्छा।
you can say every issue we are facing on normal way.
Nice, yeah, nice. This is a really good and new information, I guess, we've received today.
Yeah, and just to confirm, what you're saying is कि मतलब वी नीड टू हैव अ वैरायटी ऑफ दीज ग्रेन्स, राइट? कि मतलब हम
Correct.
कोई एक ही ग्रेन के पीछे ना पड़ जाएं, जैसे अभी तूने
Yeah.
मिलेट बोला तो मिलेट ही मिलेट ना चलता चला जाए फिर, राइट?
मीन्स इन
जस्ट अ
मिलेट,
वैरायटी।
मिलेट में ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर एक ग्रेन करेंगे, बट हाँ आपको उतना अच्छा सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा जितना आप मिक्सअप कीजिएगा तो। और बट
अच्छा
इट
अच्छा।
डिपेंड ऑन स्पेसिफिक इशू, एज आई टोल्ड यू somebody having thyroid issue, they do not take बाजरा, so वो स्पेसिफिक इशू पे भी डिपेंड करता है, so
Okay.
that's what you can say. And
But
why
what
I
about the pulses? What about the pulses and
No,
vegetables?
you
Like,
can,
are
yeah,
they?
pulses and vegetables you can eat. Means you can,
Yeah.
if you want to reduce weight, you can eat less aloo, you can say, but you can eat anything. That
That's actually exactly yes. Now that you're talking about it, I'm scared to ask this question, but what about like the food that you get in restaurants and all that we all love? Like, मतलब cheat day पे वगैरह पे ही खा सकते हैं क्या वो सिर्फ, या I mean like is that
say
like
it's good.
completely bad for you?
No, I am saying that it's good. You can eat once in a week, or sometime if you are fit aside twice a week, but not more than that, because you know it will, because we don't know which oil they use to make the food. Correct. So because
Yeah.
see, the
Yeah.
refined oil is very not good for health. Eventually, it creates a lots of problem also.
Yeah.
The most of the thing as obesity and everything leads to the refined oil also, and so you can say that
Yeah.
we don't know which oil they are using it, but once in a while it's chalta hai. We can have it.
And discussing on this point, like I'm really curious to know कि काफ़ी लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है, I'm sure you must be aware of it, कि जो ज़्यादा बाहर का खाते हैं, like I was in a job last year and I used to eat everything from outside, right? I couldn't cook, I never had a cook over there, and every day I was doing Swiggy or Zomato, right? So after a point of time, since I was eating things from outside, my what should I say? My appetite for food decreased.
Correct.
After that, I felt कि मेरी जो diet थी, if I would have 4 chapatis or something like that earlier, I started having 3 chapatis.
Appetite,
Right,
I
मुझे
think,
भूख
as
कम
well as
लगने लगी.
appetite as well as energy levels, I believe, अगर
Yes.
बाहर का ज़्यादा खा के.
Yeah. Yes,
Plus,
yes.
if you
So
know,
is this like true?
yes. Plus one more thing, if you notice, जो पतले भी होते हैं बट लेकिन उनका टमी बाहर रहता है, या बेली फैट, करेक्ट, मतलब ओवरऑल दे आर स्लिम, बट दैट टमी इज देयर. सो द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस
Yeah.
राइस एंड मीट कंटेन मोस्ट ऑफ द कार्ब्स, सो वो कहाँ कहीं तो जाएगा ना, मीन्स इफ वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, सो हम लोग कहीं का भी इनटेक कहीं तो जाएगा, सो दैट्स व्हाई द बेली टमी फैट कम्स. So people don't know about this, so that's the most, you can say, issue, because last 70 years means if your grandfather know about this, because they have the habit of eating, you can say, ragi bajra kind of thing. In India it's very famous. But right now, because whatever we eat, we saw our parents, correct, they eat only rice or roti,
Yeah.
so we follow that. But right now it's, you
Right.
can say that the nature is also calling us to back to where we started.
Yeah, that's so
Yeah.
true. actually.
Somehow I also feel that कि ये सब चीज़ें हमारी लाइफस्टाइल में आ गई हैं, right? These all things, fast food and ये खाना वो खाना, ये करना वो करना, right? Everything is in our lifestyle. So talking about lifestyle, I'm sure you are having a program for lifestyle
Yeah.
as well. You focus on lifestyle
Yes.
as well, right? So what exactly do you do in lifestyle, or what exactly do you have to tell about lifestyle? What is a better lifestyle?
एक्चुअली एज यू सेड राइट, ये हम लोग का अब लाइफस्टाइल बन गया है कि बाहर का खाना हुआ या फिर नॉर्मल कुछ भी खा रहे, रोटी राइस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो मोस्ट ऑफ थिंग व्हाट आई मीन
Yeah.
बाय लाइफस्टाइल इज दैट certain thing we have to adopt in our life so we can follow from last 70 to 50 years. Means why I said to reduce weight you can go to gym also, but you can't continue gym from, you can say, at the age of 60 70 also. Means some people do but not everybody, correct. So
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
lifestyle I am talking about, that's to track our step on a daily basis. Simple is that. Simple walk and talk. Means let's say if I am talking to you, what I am doing, I'm just walking and talking. Okay. So this is not any mental barrier for me. So I have to do some exercise. I have to do something. It's means most of the people they have a mental barrier. उनको लगता है कि यार जिम जाना पड़ेगा सुबह उठ के, या फिर शाम में जिम जाना पड़ेगा. So आधा लोग वहीं अडॉप्ट मतलब छोड़ देते हैं चीज़ों को. But
Yeah,
ये जो चीज़
that is actually only one of the barriers, I think. जो तू कह रहा है, that is like like a lot of effort, right? I'm
Correct.
talking about, जैसे तूने walk and talk वाली बात बोली, I think one of the barriers is लोगों को ये लगेगा कि यार ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही simple है. मतलब maybe such a small thing might not even make a difference. I think
Yeah.
that is also a barrier
But
that people might have.
if you want to walk 1,000 miles, you have to take a first step. So this is just simple like that. So
I got
because
schooled.
What happened now? Let's say you are doing gym. Okay, I'm not doing gym is a bad. What I'm just comparing that you are doing gym in 24 hours, you are only working for 1 hour. Correct. So the 23
Right.
hours your body is not active. Only for 1 hour is your body is active. So if we walk and
Right.
talk, you can say normally if you walk to some place, means let's say if I have to go 1 kilometer nearby, so do not take any, do not go for car, walk. It's 1 kilometer is normally you can 15 minutes, you can say walk is there. So small thing we have to adopt,
Yeah.
and it's 24 hours we are active with this kind of, not 24 hours but maximum you can say 15 hours we are actively present. So this I am focusing on.
Yeah, so basically you are focusing on the very little changes which we all can adopt in our lifestyle, right? कि
Correct.
walk and talk या थोड़ी active हो जाओ life में.
Yeah.
And do they, like, I'm really thinking of it, do they give really good and astonishing results? Because like
Yeah,
Vaibhav said कि
absolutely.
सबको पता है ये कि we should walk and do this stuff. सबको पता है we should have such drinking habits, पानी ऐसे पीना है, इतने time में पीना है. But nobody does that.
Yeah.
Nobody does that, right? Even we sleep at very irregular cycles, though we know कि sleep cycle होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But the thing is that
Right.
या ये सब चीज़ें कितना result देती हैं? How do they impact in a longer run?
See, अगर result
While answering this question, can you just mention a little more or some more of these lifestyle changes that you're talking about?
Yeah,
So
sure.
walk and talk is one of the things that you mentioned.
secondly,
So what else is there?
other thing what you can adopt, lift के जगह हम लोग सीढ़ी यूज कर सकते हैं, simple that. Or you can say water intake. As Abhinav is asking, means how many days the result will come. So you say you gain the weight from 6 years, or you can say 6 months. So you can't get the result in one day, correct? So it totally depend on body to body kind of thing. Let's say if somebody has to reduce 20 kg or 15 kg, you can't walk for 5 kilometer or 5,000 steps. So according to that, we have to work. For a healthy lifestyle, we can walk 8,000 to 10,000, you can say. But it's totally depend on a
Yes.
person to person or to body profile.
Okay. And what about sleep?
According to Western culture, they say that 7 to 8 hours are average sleep. But according to our, you can say, yogic person, or you can say yogic diet, 5 hours is at least we have to sleep. But अगर आप हेल्दी खाना खाओगे तो एटलीस्ट 6 आवर 6.5 आवर से ज़्यादा आप खुद नहीं सो पाइए, क्योंकि आपको मतलब खुद में एनर्जेटिक फील होगा, यू कैन से फ्रेशनेस,
Yeah.
दैट्स फ्रेशनेस इज ऑलवेज देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द healthy food.
Okay. So does the this definitely holds a lot of importance, the sleep cycle. But do the
Correct.
timings vary? Like timings का भी फर्क होता है? Because me being a really late sleeper, तो out of curiosity मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ये सवाल.
See, it's totally depend, because most of the successful person you can see they wake up in the morning 5 a.m.
Yeah,
4
5
a.m.
a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Yeah, we are
Yeah.
not promoting his book
Correct.
here, but yeah.
Yeah, but nowadays we work late at the night and then sleep. So I don't think so. It's a problem. But if we follow, and this totally depend on you actually. But
Yeah, it's good. It's good if you
feel-
have a good
yeah,
sleep timing.
It's a good
Yeah,
sleep timing,
but
not max then 1 o'clock, or you can say, means try to sleep before that, because it's good if you
Okay,
sleep
okay,
at 1 o'clock. Also, you can wake up at 7.
Okay. Then, guys, I have to tell you that this is today we are recording a podcast at 1 a.m. So we have to go and sleep now.
Correct.
Okay, according to Rituraj. So yeah, नहीं, but that's a good point, and that was a brilliant lifestyle changes जो थे, बहुत छोटे छोटे changes से आपको क्या फर्क पड़ सकता है आपके पूरे body और health पे, right?
Yeah.
So that is a really good sign. People ignore this. We
Because,
ignore this. I don't
what happen
give
if
that
you-
much importance to these things.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
because what
continue.
happen if your sleep cycle is not proper, or not, you can say, one means what I am saying that एक दिन आप 1 बजे सो रहे हैं, अगला दिन 4 बजे सो रहे हैं, अगला दिन 10 बजे सो रहे हैं, ये चीज नहीं होना चाहिए. Means constant you are
Okay.
in the cycle should be. Otherwise you
No, I sleep at 3. That is constant.
no, so 3 is so much. You try to sleep at home.
Constantly.
But yeah, moving ahead, that has been an amazing point. Lifestyle changes जो कि हम बिल्कुल ignore करते हैं सब लोग. So let's try to get better in lifestyle changes, और वो जो छोटे छोटे changes हैं उनको adopt करते हैं and lead a better and healthy lifestyle. So yeah, what was your third point, Rituraj? Like if I had to ask you.
Supplementation.
Supplement, yeah.
So, Rituraj, tell us a bit more about supplements. First of all, leading question start मैं यही करना चाहूँगा कि is supplements, is there a need for everyone to be taking supplements, or is it something that needs to be like a very specialized case?
First of all, we can take supplementation, but the organic one. Okay. And the supplementation also we have to take according to body kind of thing. And you can say the question should be why supplement, because
Okay.
many people have this issue that the supplement take any side effect or not, right? That सबको लगता है कुछ ना कुछ side effect होगा या मेरे body को suit करेगा कि नहीं, kind of
Exactly.
thing.
That was gonna
So
be my next
actually
question.
I want
Actually.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I want to tell you, supplement is of two types. Okay, the first one is called a chemical base, and the other is a extraction of fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
The first one, as you simple, when we actually need it, just like in COVID situation. If somebody have COVID, doctor will get multivitamins,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
But that multivitamins having high dose and are made in a laboratory. So definitely they having a side effect, but we need at that situation, correct? That the side effect will be you like acidity, gastric issue, or vomiting, headache. This will be there. So many people many people have a very spectacle about this thing because they thought the supplementation will give you a side effect, but they have to understand this. Supplement is a two types. One has a chemical base and the organic base, and the other one is a organic base supplementation. It's basically just an extraction of fruits and vegetables what we are kind of eating, but actually we are not eating fruit and vegetable, right? If we are eating fruit and vegetable, you can say according to WHO we have to eat at least 5 to 9 type of fruits and vegetables daily. But do you eating it? Ask yourself first of all. And the second thing is, see, today whatever we are eating is full of chemicals, correct? This has happened because the soil quality has come down dramatically. The nourishment level in the vegetables and the crop also has you can say come down to 30 to 40% in the past 70 years, you can say. So we only have a two choice: either we live like that, with having eating pulse, either we can't eat supplement, or we have to eat taking the medicine after some time. So it's, what I believe, precaution is better than prevention. Okay. And the
Right.
second option, you can take the advantage of organic based supplementation, which is very good for your health in respect of activity level. In this situation,
So yeah.
but many people have one more doubt, like the supplementation will reduce your weight. So it does not try supplement do some magic, okay? They will reduce your weight kind of thing. But it will help your immunity system. It will help your digestion issue. It will help your energy level. Means it will cure your laziness kind of feeling. So that will help. Metabolism and cell growth will happen through supplementation. Not they will cut down your belly fat.
Okay. But the thing is that एक बहुत बड़ी dilemma है. Like when people go to gym, they are being offered कि तुम protein ले लो, तुम ये ले लो, वो ले लो. They are also kind of यही supplements, right? But काफ़ी लोगों का उसमें ये मानना होता है, I don't know, I personally don't know about this, कि क्या होता है उसके बाद if you take supplements and stuff like that, so बहुत side effects होते हैं. People have that notion. So what do you say about organic supplements? उसमें भी ऐसे side effects होते हैं, नहीं होते हैं? What is it?
See, actually, if we are talking about the gym, so जो gym में जाते हैं वो they take whey protein. Okay. So see, protein intake is differ from different health profile. Correct. The person who is going to the gym, eventually they are working more than us. Correct. वो इतना ज़्यादा calories burn करते हैं जितना हम लोग normally walk करके या eventually normally ज़्यादा activities नहीं करते हैं. So they require more protein. So whey protein is for them only. But if we do not do anything and eat whey protein, actually that amount of protein they will go anywhere, correct?
Yeah.
तो कहीं जाके फैट डेवलप करेगा, कहीं जाके कुछ डेवलप करेगा. सो टोटली बॉडी टू बॉडी डिपेंड करता है कि किस तरह का प्रोटीन लेते हैं. सो प्रोटीन में भी डिफरेंट तरह का आता है. कोई प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन होता है, ग्रीन टी बेस्ड प्रोटीन होता है, सो वे प्रोटीन होता है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग फॉर आवर people who do not do any kind of a heavy or excessive workout, like weightlifting kind of thing, we can eat all plant protein based हम लोग plant based protein ले सकते हैं. But it's totally depend kind of thing on person to person. The person who is having you can say stone, उनको प्रोटीन का intake ज़्यादा नहीं लेना चाहिए. So it's totally depend on person to person.
Okay, that's amazing, man. That's amazing, and I'm really surprised कि यार हमें कितना सीखने को मिला नहीं वैभव in this podcast.
Tremendous value.
And to be honest, I never thought कि ये इतना लंबा जाएगा. But the amount of value it had, तो मतलब it's amazing. What do you say?
For sure यार. रितु भाई, thank you so much. आप आए, आपने हमें बताया इतना सब कुछ, and I think हम भी थोड़ा यार चेंज करने का वाउच तो कर सकते हैं. अभिनव नहीं यार, थोड़ा तो habits.
Yeah, now I have.
Yes.
Yeah, now I have some sort of motivation कि मुझे अब 1 बजे सोना है.
So Ritu bhai, if any of our listeners want to contact you for more information, how can they get in touch with you?
Actually, they can go to my Insta page or Facebook page. It's called Nutrified Living. So there
Uh-huh.
they can ping me, and I will try to
Yeah, guys,
get
and
back as
I'm
soon as.
really sorry, Rituraj, that I'm interjecting you. But the thing is, keep please, guys, check his page out on Instagram and on Facebook. He is on the name of Nutrified Living, like you told. बट मैं स्पेशली इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव सीन इस पोस्ट एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटिवेटिंग पोस्ट है अबाउट हाउ टू लीड अ हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल, अ बेटर लाइफ स्टाइल. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट वेट लॉस या वेट गेन. आप बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेट हो सकते हो टू लिव अ वेरी हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल. सो प्लीज़ एक बार जाइए न्यूट्रीफाइड लिविंग, चेक करिए. हमने आपके लिए काम को ईजी कर दिया है. वी हैव मेड इट रियली ईजी फॉर यू बिकॉज वी हैव मैंशनड ऑल द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज है आप लोगों के लिए. अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत है, इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ हेल्थ रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, मे बी वेट गेन, वेट लॉस करना है, आपको कुछ भी करना है, सो यू कैन एनी टाइम कॉन्टैक्ट हिम. ही विल गेट बैक टू यू एज सून एज पॉसिबल एंड ही विल प्रोवाइड यू अ फ्री कंसल्टेशन, गाइज. फ्री कंसल्टेशन कॉल. So take the full advantage of this free consultation call and ping him now on his Instagram handle Nutrified Living so that he can get back to you with a free call. Or I guess it will help you to live a better and healthy lifestyle, which is we all want that, but we are not able to do it. So I hope this podcast has delivered some sort of value to you. It definitely did to me and Vaibhav. So thank you, Rituraj, once again for being on our podcast and delivering so much value, man. So much value. So here we come to the end of our podcast episode today. I hope you like this podcast and we will be back with another podcast next week with some really interesting topic and maybe with some interesting guest as well. You never know. So stay tuned, subscribe to our podcast, visit our YouTube page if you have not, visit our Instagram handle that is @modernAgePreachers, guys. Do check it out and be connected.